Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what matters: a proper sword and anvil and an enchantment table with at least 15 bookshelves so you can reach level 30. Once done, gather 330 lappies and grind XP from mobs, smelting, or breeding. You need levels to unlock high-tier enchant options. Make sure bookshelves are exactly 1 block away and check the table options on the sword first. If Sweeping Edge doesn't appear, don't panic. There are alternate routes coming next. Now focus on acquiring Sweeping Edge books or the enchant directly. Enchant books at level 30 repeatedly to increase your chances, and meanwhile fish, raid, and loot dungeons where enchanted books spawn. Set up a librarian villager and reset trades to buy Sweeping Edge books. Trade emeralds when available because it saves XP. Once you have books, use the anvil to combine multiple Sweeping Edge books or to transfer a book. Finish by using the anvil to apply the Sweeping Edge book to your sword. Spend the required XP and ensure the total cost is affordable. If incompatible enchantments exist, use a grindstone to strip them and try again, or combine books first to minimize costs. If you still can't get Sweeping Edge, reset librarian trades by breaking and replacing their job site or keep enchanting books until one contains it. Persistence and multiple sources will get you the enchant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.